Oh my. Oh.
Hi YouTube, it's me, Tech Sandwich. I run a small repair shop right in upstate New York. I'm a father, I'm a husband. I love to play and sing. I love to play in the rain. I also really like target practice with anything, fishing. I'm really big into skateboarding. And recently I've gotten into some photography and videography. But you came here to watch me run over a cell phone, didn't you? So let's get right into it. So this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's in pristine condition. A customer sold it to me for like 40 bucks. I thought it would be a great phone to use for this video because I'm not going to lose a ton of money on it. I am not rich, believe it or not. So let's get straight into the video. It was a raining day, so this thing's definitely going to acquire some water damage as well. My son isn't the best cameraman, but try not to pay attention to that.
Oh. Oh shoot. Oh my god. I think you missed it.
Yeah, I definitely didn't miss it. I was sitting right on top of it. My son also doesn't have the best eyesight. Hello? Where is it?
It's behind this one.
Where?
Oh, maybe it's under the wheel.
Keep recording.
Actually, wait. Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna see if it even turns on after I ran it over.
No.
Oh,
it does.
the screen works perfectly fine, which isn't satisfying to me. I feel like we have to go run it over again. And I was absolutely correct. We did have to run over it again because I'm not a chump. I want this thing cracked. All right, get a real good angle on this because this is going to be short.
Oh my. Oh. Holy. I think it definitely cracked it. Definitely cracked the screen.
Oh yeah, dude.
Let's see.
Okay, now that it's been ran over twice, we're gonna plug it in and see if it still turns on. It still works. Okay, that's fine. So, it's been a couple days. Here's the phone. I ordered some parts for this thing, and what I'm gonna be doing today is replacing this back glass, replacing all of these lenses here, and replacing the front screen. And then this phone should be in perfect condition. And this video was a little anticlimactic, so I think next time we're gonna have to like throw it off the roof of like a 10-story building or something and do some real damage. But this is what you guys voted on. There were 2 different options and this is the one that won. So that's what we're gonna do. Stick around for the repair. Did I say repair? Because I meant gun show. I'm yoked. Right here, I'm just lining up the laser, and I didn't speed this up too much because it's pretty satisfying to watch. So enjoy this, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. as you can see, here is the part where you throw on some gloves, you chip away that back glass by hand, and then you re-adhere the new back glass. I've done 1,000 of these. It's not super difficult. That laser just kind of melts that adhesive off the back, so it typically comes off like butter. Actually, this, dude. So, we're not gonna do it that way. I have too many customers coming in. I thought it would be visually appealing, but I don't even care about that anymore at this point. So I'm just gonna order a frame. It'll come in tomorrow, and I will finish the phone tomorrow. So it's tomorrow. Part has came in, and I'm not gonna waste any time. We're just gonna get into the repair. No lube. No lube is crazy. All right. Gimbal died. So the angles are about to suck. Also, while I record these videos, I'm also helping a ton of customers, so plug her in. Oh, well, that's not good. Okay, I figured that out rather quick. I didn't push this connection in. Oh, there it goes. It does charge. And when I threw the screen, I am super strong, so I'm If you made it this far, thank you so much. This video was extremely fun to make. I hope you found it entertaining. Make sure that you join the Discord if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Someone's going to be winning an iPad Pro. You don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you like the video and comment anything you'd like for me to do in the future.